my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
Alright guys, welcome back to the race video. We have both the cars right now. Putting a little bit of gas. Hey, don't put too much, don't put too much. Yeah, that should be good. 15. Huh? I was at 15 when I stopped it. Yeah, that's good. Put 30. Yeah. Alright, so this car is full bolt-on, cams, long tube headers, H-pipe, and then just dumps right off the H. 93 tune. This car has K&N cold air intake, Flowmaster catback, and Bama tune, which I think the Bama tune might hold it back this race, but tomorrow is getting a flex fuel E85 tune, so we just put a little bit of 93 in it. Full premium car, so it might weigh it down a little bit, but yeah, man, I'm stoked to see this. All right, guys, so we're headed out right now. My brother kind of sabotaged me. He put a lot of gas in my car. I know he only put a couple gallons in his, but yeah, man, we're gonna go run him right now. My predictions are, I think I'm gonna jump out ahead of him, and then I think he's gonna come and grab me around 90 or 100 miles an hour. So, you know, we'll see what happens. I got the GoPro mounted up, right in my view for you guys. But yeah, man, hopefully we can pull out this dub. Check out those cams. But I literally just got done filming his review, so I'm getting used to my clutch again. So hopefully that doesn't mess us up when we're trying to shift. But I know my brother's about to try to power shift the hell out of that car because he doesn't want to end up like a meme like he did with the Charger. So we'll see what happens, man. Let's go to Mexico. Boys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. At least we didn't take 2 L's today. Brother came back, he beat me. How does it feel to finally win after the Charger L?
Biggest comeback of 2020.
They can stop giving you shit right now, right? Well, boys, we got gapped. So yeah, man, that's gonna go ahead and do it for the video, man. I just wanted to show you guys this little run real quick, and you know, I wanted you guys to know I did not think I was gonna win this race, man. NA, this car is only making 280 to 290 at a dyno 280 horsepower on the dyno a long time ago before Phil tuned it. I feel like I might be making a little bit more now, but for sure under 300. And you know, that tuned Coyote, whether it's tuned by Bama or whatever, tuned cold air intake exhaust, it should be making over 400, probably 410 or so. So 410 to 280. You know, there's the S550 weighs around 3,800, and my car weighs about 3,000 to 3,050 pounds. That 800 pound difference, I'm not sure if it could keep up with. I think 130 horsepower is just too much, you know, for 600 to 800 pounds. So yeah, man, we took the L. you guys can see on that dig race, it was pretty quick. Usually I'm shifting into 4th around the quarter mile. So when the stunt drivers were in Mexico and they were racing the cars, once he was going into 4th, that's when he started pulling away. And in the quarter mile, I probably would have had him like pretty good, considering, you know, I have slicks and stuff like that. So, you know, it was good dig race. Like I said, man, on the roll race, I predicted that that coyote was gonna come around, and it sure did. Those coyotes are crazy for their top end. But we are gonna be running this back, man. Don't you guys worry. I will make the 2-valve gang proud. So yeah, man, we got a PMAS intake on the way for the S550. Phil's gonna be tuning it for E85, and my car, I want to put it on E85, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna have injectors by the time he comes back and tunes the car. So we might go E85 150 shot, or, you know, we're just gonna do the 93 150 shot. But either way, man, the S550 is gonna have E85 PMAS, should pick up a pretty good gain in power, and this thing's gonna come back with a 150 shot. And on the 150 shot, if my math is correct, 280 horsepower is what it dynoed at before. 280 plus the 150 shot, just real quick, man, it should be making 430. It should be making 430 or 440 horsepower, and you know, that should be just around the amount that the S550 is going to be making, man. So we're going to be pretty close in power. Of course, the S95 is a lightweight dog, so yeah, man, it's going to be a way better race on the 150 shot. You guys are not going to want to miss that one. But yeah, man, this was just a cool little brotherly fun. You guys know the last time we beat up on him a little bit when he had the Charger. Yeah, man, he came back with S550. He beat your boy, sadly. But yeah, man, it was definitely a fun day. Thank you guys so much for all the continued support, you know what I mean, and just supporting your boy all the way. Yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed this one, please drop that thumbs up for your boy. You know, it means a lot to me. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. Hit that bell notification button if you guys are new, so you guys can know every single time I upload. I upload every single Tuesdays, 5:30 Central Standard Time. It's your boy 4.6Chris. See y'all later, man. Peace.
You can't do this, but I know that I can. Girl, in my dreams, I said I know it. In my dreams, I said I know it. In my dreams, I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow.